can make this bracelet in any color or pattern. It features an adjustable sliding knot to make it easy to get it on and off your wrist. For this project, you need embroidery floss, a ruler, scissors, a beading needle, and seed beads. Cut a piece of embroidery floss 15 inches long. Measure about 3 inches from one end and then tie a knot. Embroidery floss has 6 separate strands. We need 3 strands, so we're going to separate by 2s. Thread a beading needle on to one of the 3 strands. String on your first color of seed beads. You want to make this strand as long as you would like your bracelet to be, minus about 3/4 to 1 inch, to leave room for the sliding knot closure. Remove the needle from this strand, and then you can put a piece of tape on the end to make sure that the beads don't come off. Repeat the process with the second and third strands, making them all an even length. When you're finished, gather the ends together, and you want to make a knot up as close to the ends of the beads as possible. So I like to wrap the strands around my finger and then very slowly tie a knot, like I said, making it sure you get up right next to the beads. Pull it tight. Tie another knot about 2 inches away from the end of the beads. Do the same thing on the other side. To finish the bracelet, we're going to make an adjustable knot. I'm going to insert a part of another video here that makes this knot a lot more clear. Overlap the ends of your bracelet a few inches. Then take a separate piece of cord. You want to make a tail, so make a loop with the tail that's just about as long as the overlapped part. You're going to hold that loop with your thumb so all the strands are together. The short tail is going to stay with the strands. Now you're going to take the long end of the cord and you're going to wrap it around all of the other strands about 4 or 5 times, and keep it really loose because you're going to be running the tail back through those loops. So don't tighten them up just yet. So once I've got my loops, I'm going to send this long tail back through all of the loops. And I'm also going to make sure it goes through this first loop here. Okay, now I'm going to grab that short end and the long end, and it looks like a mess right now, but as I gently pull those together, you're going to see that knot form. You don't want to do it too tight. You want to make sure that you can easily slide your bracelet. I hope that extra video helped make clear this process, but this is what it looks like when you make it on the actual bracelet. I like to use my pointer finger to keep those loops open until I'm ready to pass the cord through them. It always looks like something's gone terribly wrong at this point, but if you just keep the strings where they're supposed to be, I promise it'll turn out. Finish up by tying knots in the end of the knotting cord and trimming the ends. Now you can easily slide your bracelet on and off your wrist. Please subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.